In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your own music track or your soundtrack from your phone on your CapCut videos. So I have here a video and I'd like to go ahead and add background music or sound effects from my phone. To do so, there are two ways. First, you can use this add audio from here, or we have audio from here. So if you go ahead and tap on add audio, then select sounds. Now this will take you to CapCut library where you can select any music that you want to accompany your track. However, in our case, we don't want to use this CapCut music. I want to choose one from my phone. To do so, go ahead and tap on this folder here. And if we tap on it, we can go ahead and choose device. And it will take you to a music library or sound effect library on your smartphone. So I'll scroll down until I get one of the sound effects that I want, just for an example. And I'd like to add this. It is a 0.01 seconds. So just tap on this plus and it will be added. Now if we go ahead and play, now you can see it has been added. So that's how you add your background music or your sound effects on your videos using the track on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.